Hi friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. In today's video, I'm gonna talk that how you can start thinking in English and how you can become a fluent speaker. First of all, before I dive into this topic, stay tuned this video, and I'll be sharing that how you can start thinking in English and why you are not able to think in English. So, first things, if you are a beginner and you are trying to think in English, so you will think that from where can I start. अगर आप एक बिगिनर हो और आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं इंग्लिश में सोचना शुरू कर दूं, तो आपके मन में एक सवाल आएगा. यू विल गेट वन क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड दैट हाउ कैन आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. कैसे मैं इंग्लिश में सोचना शुरू करूं. देन you must have heard so many people, they say that start thinking in English, start thinking in English. The reality of thinking in English is that you have to think in words firstly. आपको छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स में सोचना है. You don't need to think the story, you don't need to think the fluency, you need to think the words, whatever you know, how many words you know, and whatever you can. So I can say that if you know few words, so start thinking them, and small words try to think, and then you will see आपके जो बिगनिंग डे है ना, लाइक आपका जो बिगनिंग डे है, आपको वहाँ सेंटेंस को नहीं सोचना है, आप स्टोरी नहीं सोच सकते हो डायरेक्टली, बिकॉज इट विल नेवर एवर हैपन. Okay, so think in words firstly. How? Let me share with you. Let's suppose I am sitting here and back side of me wall is there. I will think that wall, and if I can see in my garden plants are there, some animals are there, buffalo, human being. So what I am doing, I am just trying to describe things in words. How? अगर मुझे भूख लगी है तो मैं कहूँगी कि लाइक नॉट भूख लगी है, जस्ट आई एम थिंकिंग ओनली फॉर. यू हैव टू जस्ट प्रिटेंड, यू नो एवरीथिंग. यू हैव टू just pretend for a few minutes. Okay, I am hungry, I have to go here. मुझे पता है कि आप कॉलेज छोड़ चुके हो, लाइक दैट. sometime whatever we are doing, we have to think beyond that one. Let's suppose I have left my school, even I have to think about my school. It's just like I go to my school, I meet my friends. So what I am doing, I'm trying to think. So take one topic and think, like if it is the matter of school, so what all the activity we do in our school, थिंक दैट वन. हम क्या क्या स्कूल में करते हैं उसको वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब करने की कोशिश करिए, और उसको पहले डिस्क्राइब करने की कोशिश करिए, उसके बाद उसको थिंक करिए इन वर्ड. नो नीड टू. इफ अगर आप एक बहुत बिगनर हो और आप जस्ट इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू किए हैं, तो आपको वर्ड में सोचना होगा, ना कि सेंटेंसेस में. ना कि आप इस चीज़ को बहुत सीरियसली ले रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं कि दैट why I'm not able to think in English. Every people they say that think in English, that think in English. No, it's not possible. You will be not able to think in English. That's why don't try to think in English a big sentence, story, anything. In one of my videos, I had shared that it's not possible for a beginner to think in English, but it is possible. हम क्या है ना, जो हम कर नहीं पाते उसके बारे में सोचते हैं. जो चीज़ें हैं हमारे सामने जिसको हम फुल्ली पोटेंशियल के साथ कर सकते हैं, उसको हम इग्नोर करते हैं. व्हाट वी कैन डू, व्हाट इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, व्हाट एवर वी हैव. हम कुछ वर्ड्स जानते हैं, कुछ सेंटेंसेस जानते हैं. अगर आप एक स्टोरी जानते हो तो स्टोरी को ही थिंक करिए. वट एवर यू नो and whatever your potential is in this situation, you just try to do that one. Why you are thinking about sentences, why big sentences, why you are thinking about the big event that I am not able to think. Why it's not a good idea. हमें यही तो हमारी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जो हम कर नहीं पाते उसके बारे में सोचते हैं, और जो चीज़ें हैं, जो अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे सामने है, उसको हम इग्नोर करते हैं, उसको हम अवॉइड करते, इग्नोर करते हैं. सो डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. थिंक इन योर वर्ड्स. Take one copy, take one notebook and write down few words, few sentences and then try to close that copy or that notebook and then think whenever you are cooking, whenever you are going somewhere. So you will start thinking in English. And why we are not able to think in English, let me share with you. The thing is that we are from different medium and we have just started learning this language. हम यह language learn करना अभी शुरू किए हैं, तो हम how possibly we can start thinking in English? It's not possible. That if I try, even it's not possible. That is why I am going to try what I can. Okay, so I can think in words firstly. The words which I have, the sentences which I have, I'm gonna revise while doing all activity. When I take shower, when I do other work, cooking, when I roam in the garden, in that situation also I'm gonna think the words which is familiar to me, the sentences which I know. I am not going to blame my mind that why you are not able to think in English. Everyone they are saying that start thinking in English. Okay, I am not going to blame my mind, I am going to praise my mind. Oh, okay, I am able to think in English just like in few words. हम ना छोटे छोटे एक्शन को लेना इग्नोर करते हैं. हमें बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें पसंद हैं, हमें बड़ा बड़ा सोचना पसंद है, बड़ी चीज़ों को करना पसंद है. और जब हम ऐसा करते हैं, when we start doing big things, so we ended up exhausted. तो हम थक जाते हैं और we quit the things which we are doing. हम उस चीज़ को छोड़ देते हैं जो हम कर रहे होते हैं. That is why we need to start with the small things. Okay, then you will see the changes. Same way, if you wanna think in English, start with the words, start with the sentences. Whatever you know, start from that place. Don't try to think big sentences, a story, events. If you can, so you need words. So without word, how can you think? And words are the pillar of this language. If you can think in words, the day is not so far when you are going to think in English totally, fluently. If you can think in English, you can speak in English. Okay, so you will start speaking and sounding very good. So I must say that I started doing this activity. Whatever I could do in my beginning day, I started thinking that one. Instead of thinking what was beyond of my control, what was not in my hand, I left that one, and whatever I could do, I started thinking. And now I can speak this language, not so fluently, however I am able to convey my message. In your case also, just start thinking English in words firstly. Whatever around you, just try to think them. अगर आपको वर्ड्स नहीं मिल रहा है तो वर्ड्स को गूगल करिए और देन उसको पूरे वर्ड्स को थिंक करिए. देन आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? देन यू स्टार्ट टू ज्वाइन देम बाय मेकिंग सेंटेंसेस. पहले आप कठिन काम मत करो, यू नो, अदरवाइज योर माइंड विल बी एग्जॉस्टेड एंड इट विल जस्ट टेल यू it's not my cup of tea, I'm not gonna do this one. So don't let your mind do this one. Praise your mind that okay, and give the small task, and then one day your mind will become habitual of doing the big task. So same way, if you use small words and you start thinking small things, words and all, then you will start thinking in big event and a whole, I can say that story. The day you can think a story in your mind, that day you should consider yourself that you are a fluent speaker. Because what we talk usually to our co-learner or wherever we go, let's suppose I am on the stage, what will I talk? I will talk my story, I will talk any other person's story. So story means what? A whole conversation, you know. So this is what, first of all, think in words, and then start to enlarge that things. First of all words, then sentences, then join those sentences and make story type of things, and then explain those things in your words, and that's how you can think in English. हमने ये सुन लिया है कहीं कि हमें इंग्लिश में सोचना चाहिए, लेकिन कैसे हमें नहीं जानते हैं. We have heard that we should think in English, but how we don't know. So that is why we need to think in English how in small words. अगर आप छोटे छोटे चीज़ों को करने में मास्टरी हासिल कर सकते हैं तो it is sure that you will be able to do the big things also. Okay, if you can do small things with good things or with clarity, you can do the big things also. So if you can start thinking in English in small words and good way, then you will start speaking and thinking in the big sentences and story type of things also in your words. So I must say that start thinking in English, but in words. Don't try to blame your mind that why I'm not able to think in English. And one more thing also, lastly, I want to tell you that just praise yourself. Whatever you are able to do, praise. If you are able to think in words, so even praise your mind that, oh, I am able to think in English. Usually what happens